Hi, Edwin Boyd here, and in this video I want to show you the software SmartMessenger. And if you know me a little bit, I don't like hype, but I think this piece of software will change the way that you look at Messenger as a communication means. And I will show you what I mean with that in a second. Because what you can do right now with the software SmartMessenger, with Messenger, um, I think it will blow your mind. But have a look. First of all, the piece of software, SmartMessenger, is a WordPress plugin. I created it as a plugin to make it easier to install and to make things easier for the management. And also, I added drag and drop so you can create messages and responses very easily. But let me show you first what it's all about. When somebody messages you on Messenger, they get, if it's the very first time, a welcome screen, and instead of being able to type, they are shown a link that says get started, and when they click that, an predefined welcome screen will pop up if you set it up, of course. And in that welcome screen you can have an image, messages, and the most important part, you can have buttons, and buttons can have actions, and actions means that you can create funnels, and when you have funnels you can do a lot of things. But let me show you. So somebody messaged the demo page and they got this message, and this is set up for instance, a restaurant. But of course, I know you know that this is not designed only for restaurants, but it can be used for anything. So for the example, welcome at Malik's Kitchen. If you'd like to see the menu, just click the button below or type in menu. Well, let's see the menu. What happens? You get a new message, and in this message there are again images, text, and you can scroll in this image, of in this message, sorry. And if you notice, I don't use any scripts for my sales pages and try to hype it up. It's all going as it goes, but I hope you forgive me. And that is also maybe my biggest problem, that I'm more a programmer than a marketeer, but I can see so much potential from this software that I really enjoyed making it, and I hope you see it as well. So this is part of the funnel. Of course, you can create messages with images, and then like I said, the actions. And there are, of course, also responses created based upon what people type in. So one of the questions often asked at, for instance, a restaurant is from, are you open at this moment? And in this case, I already created a response that will look if there's any question that deals with opening times and things that like that. So when are you open? If somebody types it in, then the message comes back and that says, hi Edwin, we are open from 10 a.m. till 11 p.m. Notice that it's able to personalize because Edwin is me, and this is created such that when somebody types it in, it uses their name, and it's also looking for the words. So would you like to see how this is done and why I think this will be a game changer? Of course, this part is already very great. So let's have a look at how this all looks at the back end, and why I think this is one of the greatest software that I personally created, and for which I am very proud. But that has nothing to do with you. You have to like it, and so let's have a look. SmartMessenger, like I said, it's a WordPress plugin, easy to install, easy to do the things that you need to do. No messing around with difficult code and programming. It's all just installing, and that's it. In the member area, I have videos showing how to create the Facebook parts that are needed. It's just a matter of I the top of my head 4 buttons and 3 copy pastes. So really it's very easy, nothing complicated. And after you install the software and after you added your Facebook details, the screen will look like this. You can add a new Facebook page, the connection, and then you're off to go. And let me start first by the thing that I'm most proud of, the visual builder. So it's drag and drop. You select the page that you want to connect with, then you go to the visual builder and it creates the messages as you have already set in a visual interface, and you can easily see what is happening. And because you can have a lot of messages and triggers, triggers means things like buttons and actions and keywords that people type in. So that is why I created it like this. And the canvas is very big, so you can add as many messages as you want and start building your responders on Facebook. So for instance, here we see an image. I called it image test. It's a minion, and the keyword trigger for it is test. So if all is okay and if I've done my job correctly, if I type in anything in here that has the word test in it, we should get a menu that is very happy. And let's see if the test works. It does. And this is the way it works. So you create messages by dragging and dropping it, then you add the text to it, or an image, or buttons if you create a button image from a button text, and you add keyword triggers to it, and then you connect them like this. And of course you can drag and drop it anywhere that you like, and you can connect them. And especially when you add buttons to it, then it is a funnel system that is, because of the graphic interface, it's very easy to see. Now the moment it becomes a little bit cluttered, you can of course drag it anywhere that you want, but you can also, and that is something that I thought of, change the colors of the links so you have a better overview of what is happening where, and have a better grasp of what is going on, because maybe you have 10 different messages and or even more, and then it becomes of course a little bit difficult to see how it all fits together. So this is the real heart of the software. Of course you can not only use the graphic interface, because some things are maybe a little bit difficult to add, and for that you can create the messages also in this way. So if you want a structured message with buttons and image, you can also use this, and this has also a preview that you can see how it will look on Facebook. So the moment that you do it like this, then I want to add this image, then over here you will see it just like it's in Facebook in the Messenger, because this gives a good idea how it will look for the people that are using Messenger for you. So title, subtitle, and you can have it linked to anywhere, and you can add buttons, and just one button, and you can have buttons that go to a URL, so to another page on your site or anywhere, and or you can have it on a click action, and you can link it to another message, or you can link it to a subscribe action or an unsubscribe action. And if you do it like this, then we come at the next part of the software, which I think is making it invaluable for any business owner, website owner, marketer, anybody that uses any form of communication to get your message across. It's sending a message through Messenger. And of course, only the people that have messaged you before, you're able to send a message, and they should indicate that they are okay with it, and make sure that you stay within Facebook's TOS, because you don't want them to get upset with you, of course. But if you go to the Smart Messenger software, there's an option for send a message, and it does just like it says. It sends a message to either all your subscribed receivers, or you can manually select people, and in this case I will select myself. I want a message with buttons, and I want, let's see, what do you want to see the special menu of today? Let's make it personal. Hi. Let's make it a little bit more personal. Say hi and add personalization. Do you want to see the special menu of today? We're going to add 2 buttons, and yeah, show me. So on click, and I want the menu. And the second one is no, don't ask me again. And on click, I will unsubscribe. So let's send that message. And I'm not sure if you noticed, but over here Facebook already said something. Hi Edwin, do you want to see the special menu of today? Yeah, show me. No, don't ask me again. And if I click yeah, show me, it shows the menu. So this is the software Smart Messenger. It enables you to create messages automated as response to actions from the visitor, but also it enables you to create messages that you can send out to people that have subscribed to your Facebook page. And this will create another way for communication with your visitors. And I believe that this is really a game changer. I'm not a hype guy, and I don't like to exaggerate and things like that, but really this is the nicest thing that I have ever created. And I'm also, as a marketeer, seeing the opportunities, and I do hope that you see it as well, but I think you will. Okay, if you have any questions, just let me know.